When it comes to snowplowing with your ATV or UTV, selecting a winch equipped with a mechanical brake is essential. This feature ensures that your snowplow remains securely in place during operation, preventing unwanted movement and enhancing safety. Standard winches without this braking system may allow the plow to drift, leading to inefficient snow removal and potential equipment damage. Let's explore the top 3 winches for snowplowing designed to meet these needs. At number 3, we have the MotoAlliance Viper Midnight 4,500 pounds winch. Designed for ATV and UTV applications, this winch features a sealed planetary metal gear train and a 1.8 horsepower permanent magnet motor. The automatic brake system ensures reliable holding power, crucial for snowplowing tasks. Users appreciate its durable construction and the inclusion of both a waterproof handlebar switch and an extended range wireless remote, offering flexibility during use. However, some have noted that the installation instructions could be more detailed. Coming in at number 2 is the WARN VRX 25S Winch. This winch offers a 2,500-pound pulling capacity and features a load-holding mechanical brake for excellent control during snowplowing. Its durable, all-metal construction and IP68-rated waterproof sealing make it suitable for harsh conditions. The winch includes 50 feet of 3 with 16-inch synthetic rope, a cast aluminum hawse fair lead, and a handlebar-mounted mini rocker switch for easy operation. Users commend its smooth performance and corrosion-resistant finish. However, some find the pulling capacity lower compared to other models, which may be a consideration depending on your specific needs. Our top pick is the Superwinch LT3000 winch. With a 3,000-pound pulling capacity, this winch is praised for its reliable performance and durability. It features a sealed 1.2 horsepower permanent magnet motor and a 1-stage planetary gear system with a 1:1 gear ratio. The automatic 100% load-holding brake ensures your snowplow stays exactly where you need it during operation. Users highlight its easy installation process, ergonomic free spooling clutch, and the inclusion of both a 12-foot handheld remote and a handlebar-mounted rocker switch for versatile control. Some have mentioned that the line speed is slower under heavier loads, but this is a minor issue considering its overall capabilities. Choosing the right winch with a mechanical brake is crucial for effective and safe snow plowing. The models we've discussed offer a range of features to suit different needs and budgets. Please check the description for links to these products. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tips.